I should probably move my face, huh?
Yeah, just in case something lets go.
Hang on. Welcome back to the Lazy A-Hole Ranch, everyone. My name is Allie, and we are building an arched cabin here in Colorado. If you are new here, an arched cabin is a steel house kit. You purchase the kit, they deliver it, and you put it together yourself and finish the inside on your own. So we are currently working on the floor joist. My partner Mike broke his shoulder last week, so I am doing it solo right now. So let's get to measuring these things. We got 2 by 10 by 16. On each board, I have to measure out 14.5 inches for blocking and 49 inches for the pieces that wrap around the outside of the subfloor. And I have basically added the 14.5 to the 49 inches so that I'm measuring out to 63.5 inches for my second measurement, just to make my life a little easier. I looked up the cost of this lumber this morning. We paid, I think, somewhere between $24 and $28 for a 2 by 10 by 16 back in October of 2020. It is currently $38.72. Hey, I got those all measured up, and I think I'm gonna take a break. I'm getting a little overheated and feeling a little weird, so I'm gonna go hydrate, and Mike will give me some feedback on cutting these. Alrighty, boys and girls, it is the next day, and now that I have marked everything, I have to cut everything, and I am terrified of using a saw, so we're going to get through that today. This episode is sponsored by Superclean. Thank you, Superclean. We use Superclean this winter to clean off the tractor to get to the hydraulic pump. It is great stuff. Having a Superclean giveaway, you can win a prize pack from Superclean. To be entered to win, just leave a comment below and give us a thumbs up while you're down there. I will pick a random winner from the comment section, and Superclean will send you a prize pack. Let's just get right into cutting these. If you'll remember, I marked 14.5 inches for the blocking and then 49 inches out of each board for the wrap around the sides of the subfloor. That's what we're cutting out.
It took Mike probably a good week before he was feeling up to coming down and checking out what I was doing. He helped me out a lot by showing me how some of the boards were warped and which side I should be cutting off or blocking on, just to make my life a little bit easier. I really appreciated him coming down here, even though he was feeling like garbage, to help me out. And I also just want to say a huge thank you to everyone who has offered me advice over the past 2 weeks. I am so grateful.
Make sure you keep that plate flat to the board. This one might be a little funny because it is warped.
I'm super accident prone, so I have a really healthy fear of saws. I'm working my way through it though. Next up, Mike helped me fix the really wonky floor joist so I can continue on with blocking.
Second one probably here.
Yeah, probably there and at kind of an upward angle.
Mike is going to crank on the ratchet strap thing and pull this in more. I should probably move my face, huh?
Yeah, just in case something lets go.
Hang on.
It's probably pretty well there, isn't it?
Yeah, pretty close.
Let's see if I can get one more out of it.
Now that that's all fixed, I have to screw all the floor joists together and then stand them up and put this whole thing together. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you guys that have taken time out of your day to spend with us. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. And I love you. Bye.
That worked?
Cool.
Yay! That one's fixed, which means I can finish the blocking. Now I know if I get some more that are really stupid, I can use the ratchet strap. Did you hook it to just the wood?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I didn't do anything fancy. Figure, if it puts a dent in the wood, oh well.
There is something that is very important this week. I need to address the birthday of a very special lady, Miss Maggie. Happy birthday, Maggie. You are a treasure, and I'm so glad that you're in my life. I hope that you have an amazing birthday celebration, and I love you. You know what to do. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Maggie. Happy birthday to you. I hope that your birthday celebration was amazing. We all love you, Maggie.